Dow Jones and Nasdaq, as I shared specifically for Dow Jones 33,250 levels, you should watch out for precisely failing to break past those levels, traded bearish. And on the downside, remember I told you in my US session also 32,950 levels, be watchful of 32,950, and precisely it has recovered since then. Likewise, US 100 has also seen a recovery achieving 12,000 levels, now trading at 12,135 levels, now trading at 12,175 levels. So what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones, and yes, pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with the next release, which is going to be before the US session. That is going to be equally important. Was that also? Let's start. Now see, on the hourly charts you can see a higher highs, at the same time lower lows. So probably the pivot somewhere here at 12,100 levels, which is going to be a very good support. And now in fact 12,200 and 12,000, this is the zone. Once it trades about 12,200, then only little more bullishness is confirmed. That is the first part. Now also if you look at the hourly charts, see, after creating a little base here at 12,130, 120 zone, it is trying to rise, however failing to go past the highs of this channel. And hence, yes, if you see it trading about 12,200, you can buy there at 12,200, which is certainly a very good resistance zone. Beyond that, we may see 12,240, 12,300 levels. 12,240, 260, and then 12,300. 12,300 is certainly going to be a very good resistance. Yesterday also I told you, I am telling you again, till 12,400. This is not a reversal. Please keep it in mind. Till 12,400, this is not a reversal. Beyond 12,400, this may rise very strongly. Till the time, we have to wait and watch. Now also look at the hourly charts. You can find, yes, you can sell here at 12,130 levels, but then expect 12,120, 100. Now 12,100 is going to be very strong support, and only if it trades below 12,100, little more bearishness will be confirmed there. Now look at the directional movement is moderately bullish. The stochastic has come to extremely overbought levels, and hence a little drop here can be seen, but then it will be just a little, not a stronger drop. Directional movement is still bullish. Stochastic is trading flat near to the highs. If you look at the 2-hour, now look at the 2-hour chart. See, previously 12,150, very stronger resistance, 150, 160 zone. Multiple candles getting the resistance there. It is tried to break out here, and it is still trading bullish. We may see 12,200 at least for any point of time today, and beyond, if it stays beyond, we may see it hitting 12,240, 260 zone. Very strong resistance. If it breaks and stays beyond 12,240, 260, we may see it flying very high, and we can expect it to rise more. Directional movement here on the 2-hour charts is bearish. The stochastic is also overbought here on the 2-hour charts. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent, this is bullish, this is looking upwards. RSI is also recovered. It was trading oversold. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts here, if you look at the 3-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows are seen. It is still trying to trade bearish in this channel, which makes 12,240 to 60 zone as a very strong resistance. And in fact, so only and only above, if it trades above this zone, stays above this zone, you can confirm that it is trying to reverse. And then I will look forward to 12,400, the next resistance zone. Directional movement here is bearish. The stochastic on the 3-hour charts has come back to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent. This is bullish. This is looking upwards. Possibly may call for a little more bullishness. RSI has also recovered, trying to look upwards. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now see, one thing is clear, 12,100 is the only level below which you can sell and expect it to drop for 12,050. This zone at 12,050, 12,040 is going to remain important. Below that only little more bearishness is confirmed. Likewise here, see, on the 4-hour charts, almost this drop is done. Now the next candle, if you see it trading about 12,200, you can buy for 12,250 to 60 zone, and beyond that it may try to trade further bullish. The stochastic has recovered a bit. Directional movement anyways is bearish. MACD trying to crossover, and this crossover is important as this is happening after a long time. And also if you look at the channel, it is trying to trade, possibly it has failed to achieve the bottom and recovering from here. This is a good indication that there is still lot much of bullishness. The RSI, which was trading oversold, is trying to recover here and has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, this today's candle has a flat top there, flat bottom there, possibly, which increases the chance for a little swing also. And but only thing is, if it stays above 12200, if it breaks past 12200, certainly, which will call for a little reversal or retracement, might take it for 250 to 60, in fact 300 levels. So that is first part. And till the time it stays below 12200, we have to be cautious. And if specifically if you see it trading below 12130, you can sell for 12100 and 12060, 12040 levels, only below which we can expect that it is going to show you good swing. Now see, higher highs, higher lows means till 12,000 levels. Do not consider this as bearish. Directional movement crossing over for a sell. The stochastic trading oversold, trying to recover a bit. The MACD is divergent, is bearish, and see this crossover has. And if you recall, several times in my analysis I have showed this. So yes, there is still little room. However, look at the candles here have almost got the flattened there, and the rise possibly now it may try to converge a bit. Even if it has to trade bearish, it can converge a bit before trying to drop, and hence a little recovery is possible. RSI trading comfortable. Now considering this, you can buy at 12200 and sell at 12130 for the day in between these 70 points. Let's not trade, let's be watchful, let's be cautious. On the downside till 12,000 levels, on the upside till 12400 levels. Do not consider this as it has taken a direction. It is either trading bullish or bearish. It is not indicative of anything till the time it stays between 12,000 and 12,400 levels. But possibility of a recovery also exists here. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Reserve your seats now. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for US 30. Now see the hourly charts here. After a sharp drop till 32,950, it has shown a smarter recovery. But see these three candles, 33,250, certainly a very good resistance level. It has been shown. Now see a bullish candle, then sideways, and once it breaks past with thrust above 33,160 levels, 170 levels, you can expect that we may see 33,200, 250 again, and beyond that further bullishness can be seen. So wait for it to break past 33,160, 170 zone, then little more bullishness is confirmed there. At the same time, yes, you can initiate a sell at 33,080, but then very nearby 33,050 first support, and below that 33,000 levels are going to be the rescuer for the day. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought, and that is why we can see it trading sideways. The MACD is green, trying to trade diverge, trying to trade bullish. RSI is also recovered a bit. Now if you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. Wait for it to break past 33,160, 170, then you can expect 200, 250. In fact, we can see it hitting 33,400 levels if it stays above 33,250. Direction movement bearish, stochastic rising. The MACD divergent and bullish, it is looking upwards. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now see on the 3-hour chart, see this candle, one single candle, and the complete movement is engulfed within this candle. 32,950 very strong support, 33,250 very strong resistance. Now it is trying to recover a bit, come back to the normal levels. Possibly we may see 33,200 and plus levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic comfortable. MACD on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish cross, and this is happening at a bottom. It is happening at a lower levels, and hence a recovery cannot be denied. RSI is trading oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you can see that after a reversal candle, a big bullish candle, and see almost achieving the same highs. Now I'll wait for the third candle, and only if it stays above 33,160 you can expect 33,200, 250, and beyond that certainly little more bullishness will take it for 33,400 levels. Directional movement on the 4-hour charts is bearish, stochastic oversold trying to recover, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is oversold and it is trying to come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, previous candle was a swing candle. You can see it has left a longer tail also on the downside, which means that there could be a possibility of a recovery. At the same time, this candle started at a flat bottom, and hence for once it may try to breach it on the downside. Now, a sign of complete recovery is only if it breaks past the previous highs at 33,250 and trade bullish from there. It can try to attempt and achieve 33,400 and plus levels. Now, this could be one of the reversal indications also, but be cautious of the swings also because we have a lot much of room on the downside there. However, I see 32,950 should not be breached, and it may or it must stay bullish till the time it stays above 32,950 levels, and hence you can buy here at 33,150, 160 levels, and then expect it to rise for 33,200, 33,250, and then beyond that we may see it hitting further highs for 33,350 and 400 levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 33,080, expect 33,040, 33,000 and 32,950 till the time it stays above 32,950. Do not consider this as bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.